Hi, I'm Jacek Hanke, CEO of DCD Semi, a company known for innovations since 1999. I would like to tell you today about our latest and exciting chapter, CFD Semi. Based on 2 decades of innovative CPUs design, we have mastered a proprietary CFD chip which is 100% dedicated to computational fluid dynamics. All existing solutions are based on software implementations on CPUs or GPUs. It means that their resources haven't been optimized. Our goal was to build a dedicated chip for CFD and make a big 25-year leap in the development of CFD computation technology. I wouldn't bother you if we did not. Here's the first version of our chip, world's first chip tailored for 100% of computational fluid dynamics. It has 44 computing units which can perform 21 billion double precision floating point operations per second. We are changing the way automotive, aerospace, and dozens of other industries will design and analyze their future products. Our mission in CFD Semi is to build the next generation of computing technology from the ground up for the large eddy simulations. LES is a simulation technique used in computational fluid dynamics which gives more accurate results than the results achieved now in the RANS methods. We want to shift the accepted paradigm that accurate CFD computations can be only performed on powerful computing clusters containing hundreds or even thousands of general-purpose processors. Moreover, we want to make it possible for every engineer at a fraction of cost of presently used machines. CFD Semi solution brings a quantum leap for the industries that fuel modern economy. It's the world's first integrated circuit, 100% devoted to computational fluid dynamics. It's fully scalable, so it means that this chip can be a part of a cluster or even something bigger, which will do just one task: make the CFD computations faster and more accurate, making the world a safer and more user-friendly place for all of us.
Our technology is based on 3 pillars. First, application-specific integrated circuit, which was designed just for one task: quick solving Navier-Stokes equations. Every single part of it was optimized to effectively perform the computations of the given algorithm. We name it DigiSolver on chip. Second pillar is the algorithm, which solves Navier-Stokes equations in the framework of modal, high-order discontinuous Galerkin method. Each part of the algorithm was optimized to effectively perform computations in the dedicated chip. And last but not least is a hyperscalability, which means that CFD Semi can create systems with thousands of chips with almost linear speedup factor.
It can help planes overcome turbulences to achieve smoother flights, and it can provide a lower air resistance coefficient CX for your next car, making our world a safer, more pleasant, and a cheaper place to live in. Our company, DCD Semi, mastered more than 70 different innovative architectures which have been utilized in more than 500 million electronic devices around the globe. With CFD Semi solution, we have combined our extensive experience with the most innovative CFD science approach. That combination of IT and science brings to life a quantum leap in the design for modern cars, planes, drones, and dozens of other applications. Imagine that the chip and the rack are just the first step. We have proven that computing device based on our ASIC will be 15 times cheaper than CPU clusters and 5 times cheaper than GPU clusters in CFD applications. So are you ready to join us and make the next steps together?